This copy is about 300 years old, this copy is about 200 years old, and this copy is more recent. Now we will take a look, and I will show you all three. Here is the opening surah of the 300-year-old copy of the Quran. For those of you who can read it, what do you think? Here is the 200-year-old copy. And here is the smallest version, the opening surah. I'm standing behind an incredible assortment of Bibles that span 6 centuries. I have Bibles from the 1400s, 1500s, 1600s, 1700s, 1800s, and 1900s. And you know what's crazy? No two of these Bibles reads the same. They all read differently.
فَوَيْلٌ لِّلَّذِينَ يَكْتُبُونَ الْكِتَابَ بِأَيْدِيهِمْ ثُمَّ يَقُولُونَ هَذَا مِنْ عِندِ اللَّهِ لِيَشْتَرُوا بِهِ ثَمَنًا قَلِيلًا فَوَيْلٌ لَّهُم مِّمَّا كَتَبَتْ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَوَيْلٌ لَّهُم مِّمَّا يَكْسِبُونَ